Do you want to learn where to get funny sounds and how to use them on your videos? Then watch this video from beginning to the end, because I'm going to be showing you where to get funny sounds and how to use them on your videos. Open your browser and go to Google. Type in Nigeria Funny Sounds and hit search. Click on the link that says My Instant. Once it opens, tap on any of the funny sounds button that catches your attention. Then hit download MP3 to save it directly to your phone's file manager. Now open your CapCut app and choose the video you want to edit. Tap on audio, then select sounds and go to device to import your sound. Find the file where you saved the funny sounds and tap it. Now press the plus sign to add it to your video timeline. Preview the video to be sure everything sounds right.
I don't want peace. I want problems.
When you are satisfied, go ahead and export your final video, and that is it. Have you seen that it is simple? Are you going to be trying it out? Please don't forget to follow me, like, share, and also comment on this video. See you on my next one. Bye.